What's up everyone? Nate from Sherry 4x4 out here on the farm on this beautiful spring day. Just wanted to show you a badass truck we just got in. 2019 Ram 1500. 6 inches of lift, 22-inch wheels, and power running boards for your convenience. Guys, we haven't even talked about anything on the inside yet. Stay tuned for more information about this whole truck. Guys, in a world full of incandescents, being LED, Ram did a heck of a job redesigning their headlight this year to make you safer on the road. Now, something else they built into the Laramie's front end is park sensors. So this being a lifted vehicle, you got the peace of mind of knowing you're going to be able to put this thing virtually anywhere. Guys, I'm 5'8", so 6 inches definitely doesn't go unnoticed. This thing is absolutely massive. Sitting on 37-inch nittos, we got 22-inch black gloss fuel wheels with machined inserts. This thing is just badass. Now, something Rocky Ridge was smart about was putting power boards on it, so it's just as easy to get up as it looks. Guys, convenience is key in a Laramie. By key, I mean key fob. Now, this one is not equipped with a bed liner, but that is something that you can add. Realistically, are you going to need it with a trifold tonneau cover? I think the best way to show you the inside of this vehicle is in first person. Let's do it. Right off the rip, the power running boards. That's going to be really convenient. Power locks, windows, mirrors, power folding mirrors as well. Oh. Seat memory. Taking a look down here. Adjustable foot pedals. Looks like we have power seats. Got some nice chrome trim here. Lumbar support. Premium leather seating. It's got really nice Laramie stitching in it. Something to keep in mind is these vehicles are very technologically advanced. So there's a lot of things that I won't mention today. I'm just going to be pretty basic with it. So I'm going to start it up. It's push button start. This thing sounds great. Got your 8.4-inch Uconnect radio. Now you can do anything on this bad boy. You got your AM, FM, satellite radio. Different options for if your phone's connected. Climate options for your heated and ventilated seating. Yeah, these premium seats are heated and ventilated as well. You can also, set. One of my favorite features is being able to set like. Just drag and drop. See how I just made that an icon down there? So if I just wanted my driver's heat to be down there, I think that's an awesome feature. You can pair your phone. There's hands-free options. I'm not going to pair it on here, but this will be like the interface unless we get into the Google Android Auto, or Apple CarPlay. And then you got like unlimited options in here. This is what I'm talking about. So an amazing sound system in this vehicle. I wish I could crank it up for you right now, but you got your hard buttons for all your climate controls down here. This is for your ventilated heated seats, steering wheel. Traction control for when you want to do a burnout, tow haul. This is your parking sensors in the rear and parking sensors in the front. So when you're trying to park this big old truck, that's what's going to help you. We got your auxiliary options and your CD player. It's going right into here. 4-wheel drive, that turn dial. A lot of people get scared about this turn dial. Don't be scared. There's safety features in play, trust me, or they wouldn't be manufacturing them. All your 4-wheel drive needs there. I just want to cut to this center here. You can get your phone. I'm just going to set mine in there. Right in there. Charging cable goes out the bottom. Really nice. This thing has a crap ton of storage with a 115 plug down here. 4 different auxiliary options. Now these are going to be for things that go to the media on your radio here. Media and phone, these are both going to go to that. How you get your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This is sliding. Boatload of room in there. Now these are set up to be, these center consoles are set up to be like a mobile office is what they basically are trying to do here. If you take a look, it's big enough for a tablet. Multiple, like two big phones could be in there charging simultaneously. Plus here's where your cord comes out. How cool is that? Just comes out. You can set your phone in here if you wanted, or tablet in here and charge it. Or there. It's really nice. Cup holders. I like that wood grain. I'm gonna take a look at the steering wheel. Now these are for your cruise control, different gear options when you're towing, hands-free options, which are really important nowadays. People keep their eyes on the road, and different options up here for your gauge cluster. Now I won't get into all of them, but you can control everything. Here, let me get from this side. Control everything from fuel mileage, speedometer, tire pressures, you know, trans temp, anything you can think of is pretty much you can do in here. Your text messages, your calls that come through, pretty much anything to do with your radio is going to be able to see up there as well. Shut it off here. Just want to show you the back seat. That running board's real nice. Tucks up in there real nice. Got like a nice material here, like a suede with wood grain. I really like the polished look on the chrome accents there. Rear seats are looking pretty comfy. Plenty of room back here. One of my favorite features in the Ram is going to be, well, let me get that out of there. These boxes built into the floor. Now, you can do with these as you please, obviously, but they look like a cooler. You know, so if you want to have sodas or anything on the road, you maybe got kids, you want to put, maybe you don't want to make it as a cooler or not. It could be a storage area for diapers and wipes. You know, you never know. So Ram did a good job with that. Fix this mat here. Got a couple charging ports here, USB-C and USB, charging purposes only, and a 115. So if you're that guy that doesn't carry their car charger, then just plug it right in there. Let me get this one down real quick. Something I think is cool about these seats as well, because I don't know if you're going to be able to tell, they do recline. Guys, we had a great time here with you out on the farm. If you liked what you've seen here today, please like and subscribe to our channel. Ring the bell for future videos that are going to be uploaded. Now, something to keep in mind is that we do lifts and wheel packages as well as bumper packages on our Jeeps. So, you know, we just do everything around here. Guys, remember, be great, buy a Sherry. Later.